Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best Dremel pen is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for any DIY enthusiast, crafter, or hobbyist looking to add a touch of precision and detail to their projects, offering unparalleled control for intricate tasks that larger tools simply can't handle, making it an essential addition to your toolkit for everything from delicate engraving to minor repairs and creative embellishments. Number 5. Dremel 225-02 Flex Shaft Rotary Tool Attachment. Take your engraving, etching, sanding, and carving projects to the next level with this versatile attachment. It's designed to help you achieve superior control and better results. Experience extreme precision for all your fine and detailed work. The small handpiece design provides superior control, reducing fatigue for longer crafting sessions. Switching between accessories is a breeze. Its quick connect system allows for fast and easy attachment to your compatible rotary tool. The 3-foot-long cable offers excellent flexibility, giving you ample reach for any project. This attachment is designed for use with a flex shaft-compatible Dremel rotary tool. It accepts bits up to 1/8-inch shank size, working seamlessly with both the collet system and the Dremel chuck for maximum versatility. What we like. This attachment offers superior control and less fatigue for extended use. Its extreme precision makes it ideal for fine detail work. If you are looking for enhanced accuracy and comfort during intricate tasks like detailed metal engraving or wood carving, you should consider this. What people say. The Dremel pen is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of crafting and DIY projects. Its compact size and ergonomic design make it comfortable to hold and maneuver, allowing for precise control. The pen features multiple speed settings, enabling users to adjust the tool's performance to suit different materials and tasks. Number 4. HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool Kit. Introducing a versatile rotary tool set designed for all your fine DIY projects. It's perfect for carving, sanding, grinding, polishing, and cutting, making it ideal for creating resin crafts. Think of it as having a whole toolbox in one convenient package. Easily adjust the speed with 5 settings to match the demands of any task. This allows for safe and careful work, even for beginners. You'll have precise control over your creations. This tool is powerful yet incredibly small and light. It offers ultimate control and precision, feeling as comfortable to hold as a pen. Enjoy up to 200 minutes of continuous work on a single charge thanks to its rechargeable battery. It's convenient and worry-free, allowing you to work for extended periods. The upgraded design features an LED light that reduces shadows in dark areas. This ensures better visibility for more precise work, especially on detailed projects. Get started easily with our comprehensive guides and video tutorials. It's also an excellent gift for DIY enthusiasts or a great way to bond with your child on craft projects. What we like. This tool features 5 speed settings and convenient USB charging. It's compact and lightweight, designed for ultimate control. If you are a beginner or someone who values portability and ease of use for various DIY crafts, you should consider this. What people say. The Dremel pen is a versatile tool for detailed work, offering precise control for engraving and carving. Its lightweight design and ergonomic grip make it comfortable to use for extended periods, reducing hand fatigue. The variable speed setting allows users to adjust the rotation speed according to the material and task, enhancing its functionality. Number 3. WORKPRO 476-piece Rotary Tool Accessory Kit. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for cutting, sanding, grinding, and polishing. It features a wide variety of bits and accessories to tackle any project. Explore the extensive collection of bits designed for precision work. From HSS grinding drills to diamond bits, these tools are built for durability and performance. Equipped with multiple collets, these accessories are compatible with most rotary tools. They are perfect for both beginners and experienced users to bring DIY ideas to life. Each accessory is meticulously crafted for precision and longevity. High-quality materials ensure optimal performance, and the included manual helps you master their use. All your tools are neatly organized in a lightweight, durable, and waterproof storage case. It's perfect for transport and makes an excellent gift for any DIY enthusiast. What we like. This is an all-purpose accessory kit with 476 pieces, offering comprehensive versatility for all your rotary tool needs. It comes in a portable and durable storage case. If you already own a rotary tool and need a vast array of bits and accessories to tackle any project, from cutting to polishing, you should consider this. What people say. The Dremel Pen has a comfortable grip and is lightweight, making it easy to handle for extended periods. Its precision tip allows for intricate detailing and fine control, perfect for delicate craft projects. The variable speed setting provides versatility, enabling users to adjust the tool's performance for different materials and tasks. Number 2. AVID Power 8V Cordless Rotary Tool. Experience strong and steady power for your DIY projects and pet grooming. With 5 variable speeds, you can easily adjust the rotation from 5,000 to 25,000 revolutions per minute to suit any task. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation with its long-lasting 8V rechargeable battery. A quick 1 to 2 hour charge gets you back to work, and the spindle lock makes changing bits a breeze. For bright LED lights illuminate your project, especially helpful for detailed work like trimming pet nails. It also operates with low noise, ensuring a comfortable experience for both you and your pet. Its ergonomic, anti-slip handle provides a comfortable grip for precise control. The compact and lightweight design reduces fatigue, making delicate tasks easier to handle. This versatile tool comes with 60 accessories for a wide range of applications. From carving and engraving to sanding and polishing, it's perfect for all your home projects and crafting needs. Specifically designed with pet owners in mind, it's perfect for safely and efficiently grinding dog nails. Remember to use the lower speed settings for optimal results. What we like. This tool boasts a powerful 8V motor with 5 variable speeds and helpful LED lights. It's also specifically designed for tasks like dog nail trimming. If you need a versatile cordless tool for various DIY projects and are a pet owner looking for a tool that can safely trim your pet's nails, you should consider this. What people say. The Dremel Pen is a versatile tool for detailed work, allowing for precise control over engraving and carving. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold for extended periods, reducing hand fatigue during intricate projects. The variable speed setting provides flexibility for different materials and tasks, from light sanding to detailed etching. Number 1. Dremel Stylo Plus Craft Rotary Tool Kit, 2050-15. Introducing the Dremel Stylo Plus Craft Rotary Tool Kit. It's your perfect companion for a wide array of craft projects, from intricate wood carving to delicate glass etching. This tool boasts a quiet yet powerful 120V motor, designed for comfortable home use. Plus, the extended power cord gives you the freedom to move around your workspace. Its slim and lightweight body offers exceptional control and precision. You'll feel closer to your work, allowing for finer details and intricate designs. Whether you're working with wood, glass, leather, stone, or metal, this tool adapts to your needs. It's truly a multi-surface solution for all your creative endeavors. Fine-tune your crafting experience with variable speed settings ranging from 5,000 to 22,000 revolutions per minute. Achieve the perfect speed for every specific task and application. This kit includes 15 essential accessories, providing everything you need to get started on your next masterpiece right away. What we like. This tool features an ergonomic, slim, and lightweight design for maximum control. It offers variable speed settings and operates quietly. If you are looking for a comfortable, precise tool for detailed craft projects like wood carving or glass etching and prefer a quiet user experience, you should consider this. What people say. The Dremel Pen is a versatile tool for detailed work. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold for extended periods. The pen offers precise control for intricate tasks like engraving and sanding. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.